thereof. Early lead is taken by Saintly Pat by the rail, and moving up in between horses, entry number 3, Missionel. It's now Missionel in the lead, followed by Dream Supreme in second by 3.5 lengths by the rail, Sting Tank, Saintly Pat, Kai Maki, and Angel Dougal is bringing up the rear. Nearing the front line, it is still Missionel leading the field by 4 lengths, followed by the favorite Dream Supreme in second. Ting Tank remains in third. Saintly Pat, K. Maki, and Angel Dougal. Rounding the far turn, it is still Missionel. It's Missionel by 2.5 lengths. Closing in second, the outstanding favorite Dream Supreme. Ting Tang remains in third by 3.5 lengths. Saintly Pat and K. Maki. The last bend for home. The lead is taken over now by the outstanding favorite Dream Supreme from the outside. It is now Dream Supreme in the lead. Missionel moving up on the inside. Ting Tang, and here comes Saintly Pat moving up on the outside, and by the rail is K. Maki. And nearing the payoff line, it is still the favorite Dream Supreme, and finally it's a cinch for Dream Supreme, Saintly Pat, Ting Tang, and close between Kai Maki, Missionel, and Angel Dugo.
All right. No